Hello, everyone. Today, I'm taking you on an exciting journey to France, the land of art, history, and culinary delights. Imagine yourself with me as we explore iconic landmarks, charming villages, and mouth-watering cuisine. Let's dive into this French adventure. Our adventure begins in Paris, the capital of France and a city synonymous with romance and culture. As we step off the plane at Charles de Gaulle Airport, the cool breeze carries a mix of urban energy and history. Paris is alive with the hustle of cars and the faint aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through the air. Our first stop is the Eiffel Tower, one of the most recognizable structures in the world. As we ascend to the top, the panoramic view of Paris takes our breath away. From the Seine River winding through the city to the sprawling Champs-Élysées, the sight is mesmerizing. For lunch, we indulge in classic French cuisine at a cozy cafe near the tower. The croque monsieur, a decadent grilled ham and cheese sandwich, paired with a refreshing glass of rose, is the perfect welcome meal. In the evening, we stroll along the Seine, stopping at the Notre Dame Cathedral. Its Gothic architecture and stunning stained glass windows are awe-inspiring. The day ends with a relaxing cruise on the Seine River, where the illuminated cityscape casts shimmering reflections on the water. Our second day begins with a visit to the Louvre Museum, home to the Mona Lisa and countless other masterpieces. Walking through its grand halls, we marvel at works by artists like Michelangelo and Delacroix. Each painting and sculpture tells a story, capturing moments of human expression and creativity. Next, we head to Montmartre, a bohemian district that has inspired artists for centuries. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica stands atop the hill, offering a stunning view of Paris. As we wander through the cobblestone streets, we encounter street artists sketching portraits and musicians playing lively tunes. For dinner, we savor escargots and coq au vin at a traditional bistro. The rich flavors of the dishes are a testament to the artistry of French cooking. On day 3, we venture to the Palace of Versailles, a symbol of royal opulence. The grandiose Hall of Mirrors, adorned with crystal chandeliers and gilded decor, leaves us in awe. The palace's history comes alive as we learn about the reign of Louis XIV and the French Revolution. The gardens of Versailles are equally enchanting. Manicured lawns, ornate fountains, and vibrant flower beds stretch as far as the eye can see. We rent bicycles to explore the vast grounds, feeling like royalty for a day. Leaving Paris, we travel to Normandy, a region steeped in history. Our first stop is the D-Day landing beaches, where we pay tribute to the soldiers who fought during World War II. The solemn atmosphere of Omaha Beach and the American Cemetery reminds us of the sacrifices made for freedom. Later, we visit the charming town of Bayeux to see the Bayeux Tapestry. This 70-meter-long masterpiece vividly depicts the Norman conquest of England. The intricate details are captivating, transporting us back to the 11th century. On the 5th day, we journey to Mont Saint-Michel, a stunning island commune rising dramatically from the sea. As the tide recedes, we walk across the causeway to explore the medieval abbey. The narrow streets and stone architecture evoke a sense of timelessness. For lunch, we enjoy galettes, savory buckwheat crepes filled with cheese and ham, a specialty of the Brittany region. The salty sea air and picturesque surroundings make this meal unforgettable. From Normandy, we head south to Bordeaux, the wine capital of France. The rolling vineyards and charming chateaux create a postcard-perfect landscape. We take a guided tour of a vineyard, learning about the art of winemaking and tasting exquisite wines. In the city of Bordeaux, we stroll through Place de la Bourse, a grand square with stunning 18th century architecture. The Water Mirror, a shallow pool that reflects the surrounding buildings, adds a magical touch. Dinner features duck confit paired with a robust red wine. The flavors are a testament to the region's culinary expertise. Our final destination is the glamorous French Riviera. In Nice, we relax on pebble beaches and take in the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea. The Promenade des Anglais, lined with palm trees and cafes, is perfect for a leisurely walk. In Monaco, we marvel at the Monte Carlo Casino and the Prince's Palace. The luxury and elegance of this tiny principality are captivating. For our farewell dinner, we dine on seafood bouillabaisse, a flavorful fish stew, while watching the sunset over the sea. It's the perfect end to our week-long journey. As our adventure in France comes to a close, we carry with us memories of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and delectable cuisine. France has a way of enchanting every traveler, and this trip has been nothing short of magical. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope it inspires you to explore France and experience its wonders firsthand. Until next time, happy travels!